We begin our prayers with the sign of the cross in Māori. Ki te ingoa o te matua, o te tamaiti, o te wairoa tapu. Āmene.
Whakawhitai mu te koa, o te rā, o te korero, o te nikiniki, o ngā mea ko hangatia, o ngā pukapuka ko kōrerotia, o te atāhua, o te mahi tahi tate, tate katoa. Amen.
We end our prayers ki te ingoa o te matua, te tamaiti, te wairoa tapu. Āmene.
Tēnā koutou katoa, and good afternoon everyone. Well, congratulations on our celebration of Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori Language Week. You guys have been amazing. All the great mahi that you've been doing online has been superb. And thank you for the staff too, for everything they've done to prepare for the week. Now I think this week is just the start of many amazing things to come. It's wonderful hearing Te Reo throughout the whole week, on our radio, on our news. It's absolutely brilliant. Let's keep it going, guys. Let's make it just what we do at St. Anne's. All right, this week I've been thinking about level 1, just preparing and getting ahead. So Tiare and I just had a little chat about it, thinking, what would we do? Have a look.
So Dad, what do you want to do when we get to level 1?
I know what I want to do. family road trip. Yes.
A family road trip?
Oh yeah, they're the best. I love it. The open road, great music. Yeah.
But remember what happened last time? Your choice of music? Not it. Just no.
Choice of music? Yes. Family road trip. Here we go. Tiari, we're going on a road trip.
No!
Wake up, Lukey. It's time. Family road trip. What? Oh, Dad, it's only 2 o'clock. Road trip? Oh, do we have to listen to your music? Oh, I just want to sleep, Dad. Oh, did you say a road trip? I love road trips. I hope we get to sing. Oh, I'm so excited. This is our first road trip in level 1. All right, scene looks good. Now time for the music. I know you've been waiting for this. You've been wanting it. Okay, Mum, hit the tunes.
I'm on my way from misery to happiness to thee. I'm on my way from misery to happiness to thee. I'm on my way to what I want from this world. And years from now, you'll make it to the next.
You don't like our music? Ah, honey. All right, Luke, it's your turn. What song are you going to sing for us? Oh, Dad, do I have to choose a song? Oh, I'm not going to take this. We're not going to take it.
We're not gonna take it. Hell, we ain't gonna take it. We're not gonna take it anymore.
Ah, Tiari, it's your turn to pick the song.
Oh, I'll play that really good song from Sam Walker. What was it again? Oh yeah, Tau Te Mariri. Oh my gosh, Māori Language Week, you know.
Nailed it, girl.
Hara no te ana, tere o te kona, auara te mutuna, ia tau I hora, tau I hora. Hara no te ana, tere o te kona, auara te mutuna, ia tau I hora.
Babe, I think it's your time to choose the song.
Please tell me this is a dream. Oh, come on, Tiari, wake up. Wake up, Tiari, wake up.
Tiari, you're up? You're sleeping?
I had a really bad dream.
Bad dream. Oh. Hey, you two. Family karaoke night. Yes.
No.
Ooh, I'm on my way. To Isla Ashforth for completing a lot of maths mahi over the weekend. Ka pai. Taisha Salo for showing a positive attitude towards all her learning on Zoom and Seesaw. Tamaroa Narayan for using Gamefruit to create his awesome mihi. Tino pai Tamaroa. Te Aura Wati, looking incredible during our Māori Moment Zoom and performing a passionate pukana. Ka pai tia. Lucas Esmero for sharing his pepeha with pride and confidence. Kata Rere Nui for practicing new te reo words within our Zooms and Seesaw. Tino Maharu Kata. Jacob Brzozowski for completing excellent research on Caritas and St. Vincent de Paul to a really high standard. Brolly Cowley for completing all online learning tasks to a high standard. Diana Maka for creating a Google slide resource on Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori. Ka pai, Diana. Christian Sharma for his enthusiasm and participation in our Hatu Ane Whakataitai Pukana Challenge. Sarah Tully, for your consistent effort in lockdown maths and growing your understanding of decimals. Ka pai. Katara Tabaquero, for a consistent effort in all her lockdown maths learning. Keandre Conejo, for sharing his pepeha during our whole school celebration. Dolina Nissen, for completing her Māori Ako essentials to a high standard. Sio Koaneti, for being that constant smiley face on all Zoom sessions and going above and beyond in the hub karakia. Liana Tofaiano, for a consistent engagement in Zoom Ako sessions and seeking support when she needs some. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations, Isabella Tukona. Isabella is only 5 years old, and she is supporting her whānau around the house by helping out with the mahi, doing some of the chores just to bring relief to everybody in the house and to share the work. Well done, Isabella. Congratulations. Congratulations, Latoya Tully. Latoya shared with me some filming she's done, recreating famous scenes from Harry Potter, all from her own home. She had props there, scenery in the background. An amazing job, Latoya. I love the acting. Keep it up.
Kia ora e te whānau. Tēnā koutou katoa. Ko Bridget Watson, tōku ingoa, no Ireland o ku tipuna. Ke te noho au ki Manarewa, Tamaki Makaurau, Aotearoa. Kia kaha te reo Māori. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope that Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori has been a fun time for you all. Well done to the following children who have received Duffy Awards this week. So from Aroha Tuatahi, Sophia Campos and Amber Miao for learning their kupu o te rā. In Aroha Tuarua, Maika Akuso for completing his reading activities on Seesaw to a high standard. And Tika Tuatahi, Kendra Impredo for recording her own tutorial on how to create paper flowers. And your teacher said, Tino pai, Kendra. In Tika Tuatahi, also Felicity Magele for writing a beautiful pepeha, ka pai Felicity. In Tika Tuarua, Jethro Chan for always recording himself on Seesaw, practicing new te reo words and phrases, sometimes with Mum's Afi. Ka mai te wihi, Jethro. In Tika Tuarua, Sam's Tafumali for trying his hardest when trying new te reo words and phrases. And your teacher said, we love listening to you recording on Seesaw. In Whakanui Tuatahi, Andrew Leotalu for working hard to complete all his inferencing tasks. Violin Beethan, also in Whakanui Tuatahi, for sharing her wonderful pepeha with the hub. In Whakanui Tuarua, Emosi Tabudravu for sharing his wonderful procedural writing video and for consistently completing his IXL English. Iana Ofima for completing her origami challenges as part of her procedural writing focus. In Arohanui Tuatahi, David Duenas for your outstanding explanation about rip currents. And also Larissa Utupo in Arohanui Tuatahi for your amazing Tongan language project. In Arohanui Tuarua this week, Cieli Pereira for completing all of his essential reading tasks and finding out the meaning of te reo Māori words. Also in Arohanui Tuarua, Antonio Amato for working hard to complete different activities on his reading degree. And in Tumanako this week, Josephine Fiso for choosing a whakatauki and relating it back to her whānau. And the final person today, also in Tumanako, is Trinity Silavilio Ulungia for choosing a whakatauki and writing about how it connects to her on a personal level. Nā mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Ka kite anō e hoa ma. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Tahi, rua, toru, wha, pukana.
Tēnā koutou katoa, ngā mihi kia koutou e ngā tamariki o Hato Ani. Nō reira tēnā koe te tuahine e Miss Merch, Missy Kenny. Nō reira tēnā koutou e ngā tai tamariki kia koutou ngā kaiako. Tēnā tātou katoa. I really enjoyed judging the pukana competition. Some awesome pukana. My criteria was, how did the pukana make me feel? And the winners today, ngā mihi, well done. So nō reira, kia kaha te kōrero Māori, kia kaha te whakapakari ngā āhuatanga tātou tūpuna aha kō kihia. Nō reira tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.
Tō whānau, kia muki tō ukai pō, I tangata ai koe, I hari mai a koe, kia muki tō ukai pō, kia muki ki tō whānau, kia muki tō ukai pō. Ai, tangata pai a hone, pakari ana te tūmai, takatū ana, tare ana te ao, te hoki mai, te auraki mai, aro ana ia te mana. He ao huri huri, he ao hori hori, tā weko ana, te taura tangata, motu ana te taura karawa. Kia muki tō ukai pō, kia muki ki tō whānau, kia muki tō ukai pō, I tangata ai koe, I hari mai a koe, kia muki tō ukai pō, kia muki ki tō whānau, kia muki tō ukai pō. Auara te mūtuna, ia tau I hora, tau I hora. Kia tau te marire, rire, hau ora. Aha koana karawhuna, tapatahi ana, kia ita. Kia tau te marire, rire, kia taura. Aha koana karawhuna, te tau ako tawa, kia ita.
Te mātua o te maiti o te wairua tapu āmini.
E te atua I tēnei wā kia tau tō rangi Māori e ki runga I ngā iwi o te ao āmene.
Ki te ingo te mātua o te tamaiti o te wairua tapu āmene.
Kana taku waha ki te kai a te rangatira. Wakarongo mai ki te reo karana E hoa mai Ke kaha me wha me mahara Mana ano, tātou e manahi o tātou ringa E pupuri o tātou aha E mihi atu me Nā te nā mahuru Me korero Māori Mahuru Me korero Māori Mahuru rangi a te a I tiri tiri a ka papa hei ho atua Whangai a wha inu mi a kia tipu karea Kia pua boi mai ai tēnei ao Uraina, uraina